Alright, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Caswell Customs. Vinny here, as always, and today we're adding an extra section of resonator pipe to the exhaust. As you saw in the off-roading in the snow video, I actually lost a section of my exhaust.
So it's kind of a whiteout, but we were just driving behind Vinny, and we happened to see something laying in the road. What do you think this could be? Not possibly his exhaust. Oh yeah, everything. Exhaust tips, muffler, the whole shebang.
We found the muffler, we found the tips, but I don't know if the other piece of pipe's in Paul's truck or what, but it's actually towing this trailer with a full load this weekend, and the exhaust is just super droning. You know, with the tow bags, obviously I'm able to tow the trailer, but it's just very loud, it's awkward, it's kind of, we literally wore our headgear, our headsets for, at the range because of how loud it was for a section. So we're gonna hope this resonator pipe at least helps a little bit. I know it's not gonna take it down a ton. It's still gonna give us that good throaty sound, but should hopefully take some of the sound out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get underneath, hopefully get this fit up. I'm not sure because these ends seem to be the same diameter, so we may need to do some relief cuts to be able to expand it to get it over the section of pipe, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna crawl underneath there and start doing that.
See what I'm saying out here? This isn't gonna mate up right.
Yeah.
But we'll slide over this. So what I'm gonna do is I need to cut this pipe anyways. I'm going to cut this section. This is gonna go to here. And I'm gonna take a section of this off of this to go to this.
Okay.
On there. So now we're going to cut this pipe down to size because this fit over, that end fit over this end, so we'll cut here, get this hung. But I want to see where that hanger is, that way make sure I cut it that length. So I'm going to cut just past there so I don't make that mistake I made last time. There. If we have to make it shorter, we can, but rather cut too much than too little.
Always safety third. Well, as you see, it's not a perfect straight cut, but it's just going into another section of tube, so not gonna be the end of the world.
This basically piece of metal is not long enough to reach this hanger even when it's like hung like this the right way.
Oh.
So no matter what, the whole thing's gonna rock because all of the stress is up here. Because I can't get this to mate up to this.
Good angle and everything.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you guys saw there is we're making a new bracket to move up his exhaust so it's not hanging as low. Obviously the big point with the Prerunner if you're on the trails or at the dunes is you want as much belly clearance as you can. So we're going to move up his exhaust a little bit, so we made a new bracket. While it's on there, we're going to tweak the position a little bit. So just heating it up, we're going to move it and test fit it again.
So that's probably good.
It's a lot better than it was. So we'll get it up there, test fit it. Once we figure out, we'll cut the old mount off. Hopefully it'll be tucked up.
Cool before I stick it in the rubber boot first.
Yeah, no kidding. I'll just melt that thing.
We're gonna take these tips off too. I think this is one of the biggest things that's catching first. As you can see, I painted these and they've got all these scuff marks and missing all this paint. Well, one, because I keep losing the exhaust, and two, they're just, you know, they're too low. So we're gonna take them off and just go off these tips. They were, you know, from when it was a side exit, but you don't even see them anymore, so don't really care. It's basically just a straight dump.
How does it look? Looks good.
There we go. Yeah, like
Yeah.
that.
I mean, now it's damn near level or even with the frame rails.
Yep.
So, yeah, there you go. A lot better than it was.
Yep.
So, that's the new hook made to fit in the original, or the hanger. Still got the rubber isolator. So, tips are gone. New hanger's on. Exhaust should be stiffened up and hopefully it won't be falling off anymore.
Alright, so as you guys saw, we got the exhaust hanger all back on, so I'm going to go ahead and start the truck up, let you hear it. So that's the truck sound now. I think it sounds phenomenal. Definitely helped a little bit while towing. Not as bad as droning as before. It's still super loud, but you know, I'm getting used to it. Obviously this isn't full-time trailer, you know, tow rig. This is, you know, fun vehicle, but it can also tow. So yeah. So let us know if you liked the video. As you see, started making some t-shirts. These are just kind of first trial run for me and the guys. Grace actually got me a hat for Christmas. Freaking love it. So let me know what you guys think of the shirts. I got the name on the armband. If you guys are interested in buying some, let us know in the comment section down below. We're thinking about starting to release some merchandise if you guys are interested in purchasing it. So go ahead, leave some comments in the description or in the comment section down below. Let us know if that's something you guys are going to be interested in. As always, if you liked the video, smash that like button. Please subscribe to the channel. We are getting so close to 1,000 subs. We're so close. We're right there. So if you guys can help us out with that, please hit that subscribe button. As always, I'm Vinny with CaswellCustoms, and I'll see you in the next one.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper?